Save millions of dollars with a few clicks. There are costs associated with a construction project, a major one being the cost of structural materials used. Structure Plus has designed an artificial intelligence that can reduce material costs by at least $1 per square feet. These savings can become significant depending on the area of the projects. The structures can be steel or concrete, and for various uses such as residential, commercial, or industrial. Imagine how much we can save annually with this technology. You are definitely aware of the massive amounts of CO2 emissions in the production of structural materials. For example, for each pound of steel produced, 1.7 pounds of CO2 is emitted. By structural optimization and reducing material used, we can cut costs and also help the environment. Governments also provide incentives such as tax credits for helping the environment. But how does Structure Plus implement the optimization? There are various designs for building the structure of a construction project. Examining each of these designs may take hours. Since each of these processes takes hours, a structural designer has only the ability to examine a limited number of possible designs and should select the most economical option among them. Using artificial intelligence, this time can be greatly reduced. But the chosen structural design is not necessarily the most economical plan, and there are thousands of other designs to be examined. Examining this high number of designs even takes a lot of time using artificial intelligence. We reduce this time by parallel processing and cloud computing. But why are some of the designs more optimal and more economical? Imagine we want the chain to lift the weight. If the chain is not strong enough, it will definitely be torn from the weaker ring. A structural designer, commonly, will strengthen all rings to increase chainsaw strength. But artificial intelligence only strengthens the weak ring and even optimizes the rings that are unreasonably strong. Are heavier chains necessarily safer? Let's examine a more realistic example. An ordinary building compared to the same building is optimized. The optimal building is more flexible during a quake. Use of artificial intelligence also has other advantages. For example, many of the constraints that are controlled by the designer are carried out automatically, and then the possibility of forgetting or human errors will be considerably reduced. Try the next generation of structural design software with the optimization approach.